I'm so excited to be unboxing my Hub one. And because I've had several people ask for the video, I decided to do just a very brief recording to show you what joy this is bringing. So yeah, I've waited months to receive it, so I'm really so excited. You see, the packaging is so solid, it's beautiful. Yeah, I'll just take this out so I can easily have access to this. That's my way bill. Okay, now get into the real stuff. Nice, very well packaged. Okay, it says all this way. Ah, it's interesting. Okay, so I'm going to pop it here. In that case, like this. Ooh, look at that. Oh, the packaging is so lovely, and whoa, this hub is beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Mm. Whoa. My very own hub at home. Fantastic. I already have a special place for it. Now, about to reveal. Whoa, look at that. Wow, look at this. Yeah. Whoa. So I'm going to take my time now to have a look at the manual, to read through what I should do. I will not be in a hurry to do that. So I should do that later in the day. And I'll record that for you in case you still want to see that. So goodbye for now. Bye.